Aba chief officers imeye county eyo babere bagwancherwa eri gucaga kuri obokoreri ase abananchi okwana chinga kyecho nigo omurayi bwabanga sebunge ye county assembly ya Nyamira Elijah Semo abereka bateba buna barabwa abakora emirimo ase county assembly nigo barachikobwatirana n'aba chief officers eri goikirania emirimo ebwenderete ase omumenyi bwe county ya Nyamira muri cyo itukorwa ase county eyo job monkey na monkey.
Maiga y'abateneneri b'ekiwizara abo bakoro kwa chief officers kolingo ligunigo oroboti rw'ikigwa bosi bw'ebunge ye county ya Nyamira.
Before the Committee on Roads, Transport and Public Works, the nominee, Engineer Joseph Martini Oruru, provided certificates and other credentials and was evaluated on the following criteria among other aspects of major concern.
Abateneneri b'ekiward mbarwa ebirengereri byabo igoro yoroboti yorunobo manyiba bwate igoro y'aba chief officers abwo.
He promised to revive or rather to ensure that all the street lights in the back streets of our urban centers will be working.
I support the nominee, and he is competent, and the experience is relevant, Mr. Speaker. So I therefore support and request if you can put into question. Thank you.
Baba bagwetigwa n'abange babateneneri b'ekiward asebate bamba bwate okwegena bunamba kigokinya ekerengo ye county ya Nyamira.
The motion and wish that man have more time so that he can deliver to us what he promised us. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I can see members keeping out of places on the nominees, but I'm wondering whether the places are proportional to the work which is done on the ground.
Environment, water, energy, mining and natural resources. Town Chief Officer for Roads, Transport and Public Works, Engineer Joseph Martini Oruru. Will as many are of the similar opinion say aye? Aye. As many are of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Omoteneneri bw'abange ase bunge ye county ya Nyamira oyubo igo ore omo MCA bw'ensemo ya Nyamaya Elijah Osiemo nate bamba chikobasira erinde bayikeranie eganga yabo
basobisi basegasiria twa promise tia bananchi baitu twari kubakorera naende nabo ntaite kubaene kali tuna assembly tutaite kubarututa na kubafuatilia segasiria babwenta gukora na guhakikisha nga mbabwate chinguru naende ngokora bari gas kulingana na magania abantu no wancha kwanya sai igona bonta tokoteba nga tuna assembly tutaite kubwatia serikali asoko kolegasi eli bachore tubakore na bananchi wetera saba bisaba to approve baso achobisi bya munasa.
Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.